Alright guys, this is a quick tutorial on how you can start using your AI assistants within your Zapier automations. There's a ton of different reasons why you might want to do this and kind of integrate these custom assistants within your automations. The main kind of benefit I see is at the moment, every time we set up an automation using ChatGPT, you have to set up very long prompts that kind of give it all the information it needs so it can act a certain way. If we just kind of use the assistant straight from the bat, it will make life a lot easier. So I'm going to show you how to actually do that today. Just for context, my name is Leo. I'm the CEO of Fluxomate, an AI automation agency. We make tutorials like this every single week, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step breakdowns exactly like this. So this is the plan we're going to be offering. As you can see, there's kind of two different options to do this, and I'm going to explain each of them as I actually build them out. So let's start with this one right here first. We're going to help with Zapier, and we're creating a new Zap. Now, in terms of the trigger, that can be anything you want it to be. For example, a Slack message, updating your CRM, I don't know. Anything you used to previously trigger kind of ChatGPT, you can do the same exact thing here. So I'm going to leave that blank for now as it doesn't really matter, right? Now we're going to go to action. I'm going to look for ChatGPT. Now for event, we're going to put all the way to the bottom and put find assistant. This is going to allow us to find the assistant by the name. Now one thing I just want to clarify is there is a difference between GPTs, which are these things right here, and assistants. Assistants are basically the exact same thing, but instead of them being on the front end of ChatGPT, they're kind of the back end of OpenAI. So that's an example. I've made an assistant here. Very basic prompt, guys. They'll make fun of me in the comments, but just on a Homozy bot, basically, right? So for the name, we're literally going to copy this, head over back to Zapier, and then name to search for. I'm going to put that right here. Now, optionally, you can kind of trigger this directly from your trigger. For example, if you have a lead magnet with a bunch of different options that you need to trigger different assistants for, you can get that straight from the lead magnet. But for now, we're going to leave it as that for now. I'm going to put continue and test step. As you can see, our assistant will come up. Perfect. Now, the second step is also fairly simple. We're going to add a new step within ChatGPT again. And now you're going to go conversation with assistant. The message you can put with your usual prompt, right? Much shortened. However, with the assistant, you can go over here, go to custom, find assistant, and enter the ID. So now basically you can easily prompt the assistant and call it when necessary. Now the reason I give you guys two options right here is because this step right here doesn't necessarily have to be there all the time. The only reason I included it was if you kind of need different assistants within the same automation. Most of the time, you guys will not need a step, and you can just delete this right here. And right here in assistant, you can just choose the relevant assistant you need. For example, here I can choose Homozy without needing to search for it. Now if I send a prompt, so who are you? Question mark. And we go all the way to the bottom. Test step. Scroll all the way bottom to get the response. You'll see I am Alex Homozy, an entrepreneur, investor, philanthropist, and the founder of acquisition.com. Right? So that just from who are you. The main use case for this, guys, if you don't already know, with assistants, you can upload your own files. So for example, I could upload a bunch of his video transcripts to get a more accurate kind of Alex Homozy. But there's a ton of different use cases you can do this. For example, if you have a certain book or something, you can upload it here and kind of let your leads or, I don't know, staff kind of talk to the book all automatically within the automation. Like I said, there's so many different ways you can leverage this within your agency. And as the days come, I'm very excited to see how more people start to use this. We're going to be giving free updates in our newsletter. So if you haven't already, make sure to check the second link in the description to sign up. It's completely free, and we send out a bunch of weekly emails about how you can start using automation in your agency. That's it from me today, guys. Like I said, it was a super quick tutorial. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to drop them in the comments and let me know what you guys think of the new update. So far, I can't get enough of it. There's so many new possibilities that we can start utilizing now, and that's something we've already started brainstorming with some of our clients. Subscribe for more content exactly like this, and make sure to leave a like and a comment. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next one.